science with Ayanna and Zuri.
I got some cool nature stuff for my birthday money.
So we're gonna see what type of bugs we can find in our backyard. Catch it, catch it, catch it!
Got it.
Hey, it's a stick. Zuri, I found one. It's right there. Found one. It's over here somewhere.
I found another one.
Catch it, catch it, catch it! Did you get it? No, catch it!
Gotcha. Wow.
What do you see, Zuri?
I see its legs is crawling really crazy. And it has big antennas. Let me see. To me.
Oh, it has huge antennas, alright.
I'll be trying to catch more of those.
And it's golden. And it's very hard to move. Ah! Sorry.
She's scared of bugs.
And
I'm putting some dirt in this so they have some dirt in there. Did you know that all insects have a head, an abdomen, and a thorax? Oh yes.
free in the wild, baby. Free in the wild. Why? Hey, there they are. Here, I'll get the tweezers. A worm, Zuri, get the tweezers. I think the tweezers are best for a worm, okay?
Okay.
It's not letting itself. No! No! The worm just not. Zuri, get it, get it, get it. No! So it's very dirty. I think that might be an earthworm, Mom. It moves very slowly. Did you know that earthworms are both male and female? It's time to let it free after Zuri takes a look.
It is very dirty. Time to let it go. So we might just empty it.
Oh!
What did I just do?
I think it might be free already. Yeah, it's free. Ah, Zuri, look! Zuri, I see two.
I know.
Here. Get the lid, get the lid! What do you see?
Very dirty. It's really stretchy. Moving its tail. Well, it's moving its butt.
My turn.
Okay. It's trying to get out.
It's very slow. It's much faster than the other. It's confused. First we have to free this one, don't we?
Got you, little. Hey, you are really fast. Not fast enough, huh? Quickly! But we are discovering about these guys.
We keep discovering the same thing. So this one's faster.
Let it go free.
Let it free. Nothing in these binoculars.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.